everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to study about partial derivatives. Let us understand the definition of partial derivative. The derivatives of a function of two or more variables is called partial derivatives. Let us suppose z is equal to f of x comma y be a function where x and y are variables. The first order and second order partial derivatives for the function z is equal to f of x comma y are denoted by del z by del x. Here partial derivatives are denoted by the symbol del. Partial derivative of the function z with respect to x treating y as constant is denoted by del z by del x, or we can write by the symbol del f by del x, or simply we can write z suffix x or f suffix x. This is a partial derivative of z with respect to x. Similarly, partial derivative of z with respect to y treating x as constant is denoted by del z by del y, or we can write it as del f by del y, or simply we can write it as zy or fy. These two are the first order partial derivatives of z is equal to f of x comma y with respect to x and y respectively. Similarly, the second order partial derivatives for the function z with respect to x is denoted by del square z by del x square, or we can write it as del square f by del x square, or simply we can write it as z suffix xx or f suffix xx. Similarly, the second order partial derivative of the function z with respect to y treating x as constant is del square z by del y square, or we can write it as del square f by del y square, or z suffix yy, or we can write it as f suffix yy. Also we have another formula, that is del square z by del x del y, or we can write it as z suffix xy or f suffix xy. Similarly, we have another formula, that is del square z by del y into del x, or we can write it as z suffix yx or f suffix yx. We have to note that these two second order partial derivatives are same, that is del square z by del x del y is same as that of del square z by del y into del x. This is about partial derivatives of a function and the symbols of first order and second order partial derivatives. Next we shall see what are all the applications of partial derivatives in engineering. In aerospace engineering, partial derivatives are used in aerodynamics to study how air pressure, velocity and other parameters change with respect to different spatial coordinates. This information is crucial for aircraft design and performance analysis. In environmental engineering, partial derivatives are used to model and analyze pollutant dispersion, contaminant transport and groundwater flow in the environment. In chemical engineering, partial derivatives are used for analyzing reaction rates, diffusion processes and the behavior of chemical species within a system. They are vital for reactors design and process optimization. In optimization and numerical analysis, partial derivatives are essential for optimizing algorithms, providing information about the direction and the rate of change of function, which is crucial for finding optimal solutions in engineering design problems. These are all some of the applications of partial derivatives in engineering field. Next we shall solve some problems related to partial derivatives. Find first and second order partial derivative of a function z is equal to x cube plus y cube minus 3xy. Let us consider the given function z is equal to x cube plus y cube minus 3xy. Consider this is the equation number 1. Here to find the first order and second order partial derivative, we have to differentiate this function partially with respect to x. We get the value as del z by del x, which is equal to del by del x of this function z is x cube plus y cube minus 3xy. We have to differentiate this z function with respect to x partially. That means we have to treat y as constant. Hence we get here differentiation of x cube is 3x square plus here y cube is constant, take as it is, into here we have 1, here differentiation of 1 is 0, minus 3 into y is constant, take as it is, into differentiation of x is 1. Hence we get del z by del x value as 3x square minus 3y. Similarly, we have to differentiate this equation 1 partially with respect to y. We get del z by del y value as del by del y of x cube plus y cube minus 3xy. You have to differentiate this equation partially with respect to y. That means we have to consider x as constant. Here differentiation of constant is 0 plus here differentiation of y cube is 3 into y square minus 3x into differentiation of y is 1. Hence we get del z by del y as 3y square minus 3x. Del z by del x and del z by del y are first order partial derivative. Also we have to find second order partial derivative. For that, consider del square z by del x square, that is del by del x of del z by del x. We already know the value of del z by del x as 3x square minus 3y. Hence we have to find del by del x of 3x square minus 3y means we have to differentiate partially del z by del x value with respect to x. We get here differentiation of 3x square is 6x minus 3y is constant, take as it is, into differentiation of constant is 0. Hence we get 6x as del square z by del x square value. Del square z by del y square value is del by del y of del z by del y. You already know that del z by del y value is 3y square minus 3x. Hence we have to differentiate this term with respect to y partially. We get here 3 is constant, take as it is, into differentiation of y square is 2y. Hence we get 6y minus here this value is 0. Hence we get del square z by del y square value as 6y. Also we have to find del square z by del x del y and del square z by del y del x. For that, first find del square z by del x into del y as del by del x, take as it is, into del z by del y. We have to substitute del z by del y value first. Here del z by del y value is 3y square minus 3x. Hence we have to differentiate this term with respect to x. We get here this function is 0 minus here differentiation of 3x is 3 itself. Hence we get del square z by del x into del y value as minus 3. Similarly, we have to find del square z by del y into del x. This is of the form del by del y of del z by del x value. We know that del z by del x value is 3x square minus 3y. Hence we obtain del by del y of dx square minus 3y as this is constant term minus the differentiation of 3y is minus 3. Hence we can conclude that del square z by del x del y and del square z by del y del x both are equal. Here this also minus 3, this also minus 3. Hence we can conclude these two equation is equal. Let us consider another problem. If u is equal to x cube minus 3x into y square plus x plus e power x into cos y plus 1, show that del square u by del x square plus del square u by del y square is equal to 0. Here they have given the function. We have to show that first order and second order derivative, after finding first order and second order derivative, we have to show that del square u by del x square plus del square u by del y square value equal to 0. Consider the given function. Call this as equation number 1. First we have to find del u by del x and del u by del y. Then we have to find del square u by del x square and del square u by del y square. First differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x. We get del u by del x as del by del x of, here u is this, x cube minus 3xy square plus x plus e power x into cos y plus 1. Here we have to differentiate partially with respect to x means y, we have to consider y as constant. Hence here differentiation of x cube is 3x square minus here 3 into y square constant, take as it is, into differentiation of x is 1 plus here differentiation of x is 1 plus here cos y is constant, take as it is, into differentiation of e power x is again e power x plus here differentiation of 1 is 0. So no need to take that equation. So no need to take that value. Hence we get del u by del x value as this. Next step we have to find del square u by del x square, that is partially we have to differentiate this equation. We get del by del x of, here del u by del x value is 3x square minus 3y square plus 1 plus e power x into cos y. Here differentiation of 3x square is 6x. Here this is constant term, so differentiation of constant is 0. Here also 0 plus here cos y is constant, take as it is, into differentiation of e power x is again e power x. Hence this is del square u by del x square value, that is 6x plus e power x into cos y. Similarly we have to find del u by del y and del square u by del y square. For that differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. We get Here we have to differentiate this term partially with respect to y. We get del u by del y as del by del y of the function u. Hence you have to differentiate partially with respect to y means you have to consider x as constant. So dear, here this is constant term, so differentiation of constant is 0. Here minus 3x is constant, take as it is, into here differentiation of y square is 2y. Hence we get 3 into 2 is 6. Hence we get minus 6xy. Here this is constant, so differentiation of constant is 0, plus here e power x is constant, take as it is, into differentiation of cos y is minus sin y. Hence you get minus e power x into sin y, plus here differentiation of constant is 0. This is our del u by del y value. Similarly, we have to differentiate this term partially with respect to y. We get del square u by del y square as del by del y of del u by del y. We know that del u by del y value is minus 6xy minus e power x into sin y. We have to differentiate this term partially with respect to y means consider x as constant. Hence we get here minus 6x is constant, take as it is, into differentiation of y is 1. Hence we get minus 6x minus here e power x is constant, take as it is, into differentiation of sin y is cos y. Hence we get minus e power x into cos. This is del square u by del y square. After finding del square u by del x square and del square u by del y square, you have to consider this LHS of the equation, that is del square u by del x square plus del square u by del y square, which is equal to here del square u by del x square is 6x plus e power x into cos y, plus del square u by del y square is minus 6x minus e power x into cos y. After substituting all the values, here plus 6x and minus 6x gets cancelled, plus e power x into cos y minus e power x into cos y gets cancelled. Hence we get the value of del square u by del x square plus del square u by del y square value as 0. This completes the problem. We shall move on to another problem. If r square is equal to x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square, then prove that del square r by del x square plus del square r by del y square plus del square r by del z square value which is equal to 2 by r. Here they have given r square value as this. We have to first find del r by del x, del r by del y, del r by del z. Using that we can find del square r by del y square and del square r by del z square. After finding all the values, we can consider LHS of the equation and show that that value equal to 2 by r. First consider the given function. R square is equal to x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square. Take it as equation number 1. Here first differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x. We get in the left hand side, that is differentiation of r square partially with respect to x means differentiation of r square is 2r into, again we have to differentiate r with respect to x partially, that is del r by del x, which is equal to, here differentiation of this term with partially with respect to x means here this is y term, this is z term, so this becomes 0 and 0. Only we get the value as this, that is this is of the form x power n. The differentiation of x power n is n into x power n, that is x minus a whole square differentiation is 2 into x minus a, plus this term is 0 and this term is also 0. Here 2 gets cancelled. Hence we get del r by del x value as, if we take r to the right hand side, that goes to the denominator, that becomes del r by del x value as x minus a divided by r. Consider this as equation number 2. Using this equation we have to find del square r by del x square as, again differentiate this term with respect to x partially. We get del square r by del x square as, we have to differentiate this equation partially with respect to x. Here x minus a and r both are function. We have to apply quotient rule for this. Here quotient rule is denominator into derivative of numerator, that is x minus a differentiation is 1 minus numerator into derivative of r is, that is partial derivative of r with respect to x is del r by del x divided by denominator whole square, that is r square. Here split r square, we get here r divided by r square is 1 by r minus x minus a by r square into, here substitute the value of del r by del x as x minus a by r and simplify, we get 1 by r minus, here in the numerator we have x minus a into x minus a is x minus a whole square divided by r square into r is r cube. Consider this as equation number 3. Similarly, differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. We get here in the left hand side we have to differentiate partially, that means r square differentiation is 2r into Again we have to differentiate r term with respect to y partially, that is del r by del y, which is equal to, here this is constant, differentiation of constant is 0, plus here differentiation of y minus b whole square is 2 into y minus b, plus here differentiation of constant is 0 here also. Here 2 gets cancelled, and rearranging the term we get del r by del y value as y minus b divided by r. Consider this as equation 4. Here next step we have to find del square r by del y square. Further differentiate again partially with respect to y, we get del square r by del y square value as, here this is also quotient rule. Here denominator into derivative of y minus b is 1 minus numerator into derivative of r with respect to y partially, that means del r by del y divided by denominator whole square, that is r square. Here split r square, take LCM and split, we get as 1 by r minus y minus b by r square into, substitute del r by del y value as y minus b by r, and simplify, we get 1 by r minus, here in the numerator we have y minus b into y minus b is y minus b whole square divided by r square into r is r cube. Consider this as equation number 5. Here differentiate this equation partially with respect to z, we get, in the left hand side we have, here differentiation of r square is 2r into del r by del z, which is equal to, here this is constant, here this is also constant, so differentiation of constant is 0, plus here differentiation of z minus c is 2 into z minus c. Here 2 gets cancelled, and rearrange the term, we get del r by del z value as z minus c divided by r. Consider this as equation number 6. In the next step we have to differentiate this equation again partially with respect to z, we get del square r by del z square as, here this we have to apply quotient rule here also. Here denominator into derivative of numerator is 1 minus numerator into derivative of denominator with respect to z partially, that is del r by del z divided by denominator whole square, that is r square. Here split r square and simplify, we get 1 by r minus z minus c divided by r square into, here substituting del r by del z value as z minus c by r, and simplify, we get 1 by r minus z minus c whole square divided by r cube. Consider this as equation number 7. After finding del square r by del x square, del square r by del y square, and del square r by z square, we have to consider the LHS of the given problem, that is del square r by del x square plus del square r by del y square plus del square r by del z square, which is equal to, substitute all the values, we get 1 by r minus x minus a whole square by r cube plus 1 by r minus y minus b whole square by r cube plus 1 by r minus z minus c whole square by r cube. Here 1 by r plus 1 by r plus 1 by r, we can write it as 3 by r minus of, consider in these three terms, consider minus sign common, into x minus a whole square by r cube plus y minus b whole square by r cube plus z minus c whole square by r cube. Here take LCM as r cube and simplify, we get as 3 minus r minus of x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square divided by r cube. In the place if numerator we can substitute as r square, we get 3 by r minus, we know that this value is equal to r square divided by r cube. Here cancel r square, we get 3 by r minus 1 by r. Here take LCM as r and simplify, we get as del square r by del x square plus del square r by del y square plus del square r by del z square, value becomes, here 3 minus 1 is 2 by r. This completes the problem. Till here we study about partial derivatives, application of partial derivatives, some of the problems related to partial derivatives. In next video we study about total derivative of a function.